The double-layer forming machine is the perfect choice for a factory that make two types of metal roofing sheets. This double-layer metal roofing machine can easily produce two different roofing designs on a single machine, saving space and money for your business. This type of double-layer roofing sheet machine is used for residential and commercial buildings. These double-roll forming machine also have a range of features to make your production run smoothly and quickly.